In next 5 minutes, I'll show you 5 easiest steps to install Ubuntu alongside Windows or any other operating system without losing your data. I have put all the links in the description, tools, utilities I'm using. Let's get into it. Step number 1, download the ISO. For that, head over to this website, Intel AMD user, click on this download, ARM users, click on this download, save the image. Meanwhile, for making bootable, if you are on Windows, you could use this one. If you have other like Mac or Linux, then you could choose this one. I'm using Windows. I select download this one. Save it. Let's go over here. It may take some time. Meanwhile, we will install this one. So double click on this. This utility is ready and I have already selected this pen drive. Let's wait for the ISO download. ISO has done. Step 3, make bootable pen drive. Select this one, and if you have multiple pen drives, you can check over here and here the disclaimer if you have data in your pen drive. So take backup before flashing it. Next, select this option, flash from file, go to downloads where select the ISO, open. Again, don't forget to take all the backup of your data. Hit flash. Bootable pen drive is ready. Now connect it with a laptop where you want to install Ubuntu and then reboot. You have to go to the BIOS. For Lenovo, enter is the option, then choose the temporary startup devices. F12, for me it's a USB HP, so I'm selecting my bootable pen drive. Then select try or install Ubuntu out of all these options. Now Ubuntu is preparing. Choose the language, then next, these options, then next, then select the keyboard layout and next. Connect with the internet, choose appropriately, next, then install Ubuntu and try Ubuntu. We want to install. You have 3 options. Out of these 3, we will select the interactive installation, which is sufficient for most of the home users. Rest 2 options for the corporate users. Then next, default selection, extended. Select extended. We want everything. Then next, here you have option internal recommended proprietary software. Then how do you want to install? So install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. If you want to dual boot, select this option and make sure you have already backup your all the data. And if you want to get rid of existing operating system, select the second option, erase disk and install Ubuntu. And if you want to do manual partitioning, then select this option. I have dedicated video on this. If you are interested to do the custom partitioning, link in the description down below, go ahead and use that one. But for this installation, I'm going to show install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. So I'm selecting this one, then next, no encryption, it's fine. Next, then provide all this information. Next, then select the nearest time zone. If it doesn't reflect over here, then review your choices. All if you find everything is fine, then click install. Installation is done. After that, click on this restart. Now please remove the installation medium, then hit enter. If you are doing it on virtual machine, just hit enter. On physical laptop, you have to remove pen drive and hit enter. Again the same screen, select Ubuntu. In next step, post installation, login, and then it's a welcome screen. Select next. Enable location if you want to. Next, again the same option. Next, your choice. Select theme, whatever you like, dark or default one. If you want to learn more about this, there is a dedicated video how to use Ubuntu. Go ahead and check out. Next, if you want to install any app, select this app center. Otherwise, click on finish. Congratulations, we have successfully installed Ubuntu. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.